Life is busy. From school drop-offs and long commutes to endless workdays, our time at home slips away. And even when we are home, it doesn't always feel like the comfortable escape it should be. But home should be different. Home should feel like comfort. A place where you can relax, recharge, and truly enjoy every moment. No matter the season or the weather outside, mini split ductless systems, powered by the future of heating and cooling, heat pump technology, restore comfort. They transform your house into the retreat you've always wanted, your own spa, your own paradise, the place you look forward to being every single day. And comfort doesn't stop at how the air feels. Real comfort is knowing your family is breathing cleaner air. With advanced filtration, these systems reduce allergens, dust, pet dander, and particles from cooking, protecting your health while keeping your home fresh. Comfort is also peace of mind for your finances. With high-efficiency heat pumps use less energy, lower your bills, and deliver savings year after year. And with zoning, comfort becomes truly personal. Whether it's a single room like a home office or sunroom, or your entire house, each space can be controlled independently. Everyone gets their perfect comfort, heating and cooling from one system in every season, and making the switch has never been easier. With up to $10,000 in instant rebates, 0% financing for 84 months, and zero down, comfort has never been more affordable. At SumZero Energy Systems, we make installation simple and stress-free. We help families move away from outdated oil, gas, or electric resistance heating and step into a better, more efficient system with minimal disruption. That's why we're proud to be the #1 heat pump installer in Massachusetts. Because when comfort, health, and savings matter most, there's only one name to trust: SumZero.